So Friday night, Saturday and Sunday, the moon is going to be in Aries. And we know that we have two other planets in Aries right now that on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, they'll conjunct too. And this is Mars. We talked a lot about Mars going into Aries. And it's going to conjunct. Conjunct, it means it will be in the same degree, 9 degrees. If Mars is 9 degrees, every sign has 30 degrees. All right? And the planet is, when he's starting to be in a sign, it takes him a certain time, each planet, in the duration of how fast he moves. It's going to take him to finish that 30-degree, period of time until he moves to another sign. So when planets are conjunctions, it means that they are exactly at the same degree. So on Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I think that Mars and Chiron will be both of them at 9 degrees. It means they are conjunct. It means they're sitting in the same place. They're together, okay? But Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, even though there is 1 degree apart between them, but the moon is conjuncting them the entire weekend. Okay, and the moon is in Aries as well. So what does it mean to us? All this Aries energy. Mars is very happy in Aries. He's rule Aries. Is where he feels powerful. And we already talked about last week a lot, and the week before, about Mars in Aries, that it's the time for action. Time for action. Time to move forward. Mars has all the power in Aries to go wherever we want to go. But it's conjunct Chiron. And what Chiron? Chiron is the wounded healer. It's a wound within us that we need to learn to deal with. Mars wants to push, and Chiron says, but I'm wounded. I cannot move. And the moon on top of it, moon is our lack, where we feel lack, again, Cancer, right? Where do we feel lack? Is like the lack of Aries. It means I don't get what I want fast enough, therefore I'm reactive. The moon is our reactive nature. So now Mars wants to move forward. Chiron is telling you, wait, but I'm wounded. And the moon says, why are you wounded? I cannot get what I want, but I want it, and it's such a frustration. What the heck is going on here? And what do we learn about this portion? What is the energy right now? If we know to look at things, that I want to have it, but I'm wounded. Okay, so you're wounded. We all are. So what? Get over it. Understand it's part of your process. Heal that wound. If you know that it's part of your process, if you know that Mars pushing that wound right now to heal, that negativity comes to cleanse you. Remember, Kano Kaneti, it's the energy of cleansing. It's the energy of mikveh, purification. We have the energy of purification and then peace in this portion. So when you have that weekend, and then the moon will go away, but Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, that Mars and Chiron are still going together the whole week, right? So how do I heal myself? How do I heal my wound? I got all the energy to heal the wound, but I can heal it by being mad, because Mars and Aries, if he doesn't get what he wants, is craziness, mad, right? I'm mad, I cannot, I'm wounded, like an animal that is wounded. It's really nasty. So we can feel like nasty, wounded people, or we can do, let me use that Mars energy to heal. This is the month of healing. This is the week of healing. What is this healing? Healing is in the word shalom. Shalom means peace, whole, complete. When I feel complete, I'm a healed person. Healing is a result of me feeling already complete and whole. Okay? And that's the only way we can be healed. We can pray for God forever and can still feel wounded. How are we going to heal? The healing is within us. The Creator is only good. It's like, what the Rav is always saying, I couldn't find all these years a better example. It's like electricity, it's running. We don't see it, it's running. You're going to plug yourself into it. You got it. You don't plug, you don't got it. Right? It sounds simple, very difficult when we're going through wounded. And I'm not disrespect any wound, and I'm full of wound as well. And I'm not saying it as of, God forbid, as of judgment. We all have wounds, but the only different is, do we want to heal that wound? And if we want to heal that wound, we cannot be victim of that wound. We need to plug ourselves into the light and remove that darkness. If there is a gravitation rule and I have this pencil, now I'm going to leave it, the pencil will fall. But I can give excuses, I'm in the middle of falling, but I'm going to say, yeah, wait a minute. I didn't have time to prepare. I didn't have, I didn't have enough money. I was sad. I was like, well, it doesn't matter. It will fall. It doesn't matter what excuse do you have for it not to fall. It will fall. Why? Because it's a universal law. So you can give yourself, I can give myself, you can all give ourselves excuses why we still want to stay wounded. Or we can take responsibility and heal ourselves.